Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're talking about Vegas betting on the manufacturing industry, basically trying to create more manufacturing jobs, more warehouse jobs, and really going all in when it comes to creating industrial space here in Las Vegas. Before we get going, though, do me a huge favor, shoot this video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. So part of Vegas trying to diversify its workforce, they're really going all in on manufacturing, and you can really just drive around the city, North Las Vegas, Henderson, and just see all the different industrial spaces that they're creating. There's been a huge uptick in industrial vacancies, which we're going to touch on in an article here in a minute. But here's just a recap. So this is from January 2025, and this is on the City of Las Vegas website. Over the past year, Southern Nevada ranked first in manufacturing job growth among the 30 largest metro areas, with a 6.6% year-over-year growth rate. That put the total manufacturing workforce at 32,200, up from 30,200 a year ago. No other top 30 metro grew more than 3.6% during that time. Among southwestern metros, that also includes smaller metro areas, Southern Nevada saw the second highest growth rate, behind only Albuquerque at 9%. Manufacturing now accounts for 2.8% of Southern Nevada's workforce, up from 2.5% 5 years ago. The expansion of the manufacturing industry has helped diversify the regional economy to better withstand economic fluctuations that affect its core tourism industry. All right, so obviously manufacturing still has a long way to go in regards to basically creating a significant dent in the economy here in Las Vegas. But part of the reason why they're likely going after this industry is because of the average income. Now, for Las Vegas, that's $49,500. This is based on 2023 numbers. But as you can see, it is higher than the leisure and hospitality industry, which clearly is the biggest labor force here in Las Vegas. If we pop over here to the CBRE website, which is a commercial real estate firm, this is from 2024. They were looking at warehouse jobs. I'm going to scroll here. Yeah, so Las Vegas warehouse labor force of 52,256 is expected to grow 13.8% by 2033, according to CBRE Labor Analytics. So they're anticipating 59,491 warehouse and storage projected employment jobs here in Las Vegas. Now, just looking at the salary for this, the average salary for a non-supervisory warehouse worker is $17.15 to $20.50 per hour, while the overall average is $18.58. Now, this is 4.5% above the national average when it comes to warehouse jobs. All right, so now we're going to pop over to this article real quick. Now, this was from April 28, 2025. So obviously, Vegas going hard with trying to create manufacturing and warehouse jobs. And how they've been doing this is obviously creating industrial space. Now, this report says Las Vegas Valley industrial real estate vacancies hit 11-year high. Now, part of the reason why they're building all these industrial buildings is to attract businesses to move here. Obviously, they're giving them great tax incentives and whatnot. So industrial real estate vacancies in Las Vegas Valley hit the highest level in 11 years in the first quarter, according to a new report. The Valley's vacancy rate increased by 40 basis points from the last quarter of 2024, being 9.5%, a rate not seen in more than a decade, according to the report from CBRE Group Inc. The uptick was caused by building and financial boom from 2021 to 2023, kicked off by low interest rates during the pandemic, said Garrett Toth, a vice chairman of CBRE in Las Vegas, who has worked in the industrial real estate sector for 20 years. Coming out of those years, we basically delivered twice as much space as we would deliver in any year, he said. And it all kind of came online right at the same time. So you have all the supply coming online, and then demand slows down. And we went from absorbing around 10 million square feet of space a year to last year in 2024, we only absorbed 3.2 million square feet of space. According to the CBRE report, the construction pipeline, currently at 7.7 million square feet for industrial space, has been gradually decreasing since a high water mark set in the third quarter of 2023 at 20 million square feet. The Valley's industrial market has also seen a record-breaking influx of more than 46 million square feet of new projects. And at the end of the first quarter, approximately 25% of this recently delivered space remained unoccupied. Absorption of space will continue. However, the local market is not worried, said Toft, and he is confident absorption will continue to drive the vacancy rate down over the coming quarters. A slowdown in building will help as well, he said. It's important to note that every quarter since the market has been slowing down here, we are still absorbing more space, and we still have positive net absorption. It's just not enough to compensate for the space that's being delivered, he said. Top said that the first quarter vacancy rate most likely represents a high point in the market cycle because new construction has stopped. He pointed to two submarkets, specifically North Las Vegas and Henderson, as having higher supply and vacancies than any other areas across the valley. Currently, the industrial submarket with the highest vacancy rate is distribution space, 20.3%, followed by light distribution, 12%. CBRE expects the vacancy rate to rise above 10% in the second quarter, signaling a peak in the market that will gradually decrease by the end of the year. This is interesting. Regarding construction of the industrial space in Las Vegas Valley, approximately 25% of the inventory has been built over the last 5 years, which the report said highlights a rapid growth movement to meet demand. The report also noted that the current market conditions could put downward pressure on pricing moving forward. Then just right here, real quick, to end this article, for those that are looking for industrial space, the market has shifted to be more tenant friendly, with landlords becoming more flexible and competitive to secure deals. This could influence the type of sales and leases being negotiated. A rising overall vacancy rate and increase in available space may lead to more competitive pricing and opportunities for buyers as well. And just wrapping up here are the top 10 manufacturing companies in Nevada. Tesla in Sparks, Nevada, with 3,000 employees. International Game Technology in Reno with 1,800 employees. Scientific Games Corp with 1,500 employees in Las Vegas. Hamilton Co. of Reno with 1,020 employees. Bentley, Nevada with 900 employees in Minden. The International Game Technology in Las Vegas, not Reno, is at 700 employees. Silver State Industries in Carson City, 616. Timlet, 600 employees in Henderson. Hawthorne Army Depot, 500 in Hawthorne, Nevada. And Konami Gaming Inc. in Las Vegas with 500. All right, that's all I got. Drop a comment below. Is it wise that Vegas, Nevada is going all in with industrial space, trying to create more warehouse and manufacturing jobs here in the Valley? Do you think another industry would be better served? Let me know in the comments. And before we get going, if you were down with this video, shoot it a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.